Global warming is one of the scariest threats that the world faces. But lucky for us, we can change that.
From 1979 to 2003, excessive heat exposure contributed to more than 8,000 premature deaths in the United States.
Climate change is already harming food production, and these impacts are projected to increase over time, with potentially devastating effects. Factory farming has endangered the lives of plants and animals, causing pollution, deforestation, and the erosion of soil due to stronger winds.
The Arctic region may have its first completely ice-free summer by 2040. Polar bears' population is expected to plummet to 9,000 from 26,000 in the years to come. The global warming effects on wildlife has caused threat to the existence of polar bears. In sense, scientists predict a possibility of a 30% drop in the population of polar bears in the next 35 to 40 years.
Arctic sea ice coverage has shrunk every decade since 1979 by 3.5 to 4.1%. Glaciers have also been in retreat, including in major mountain ranges like the Alps, Himalayas, and the Rockies. In 2017, Arctic sea ice reached a record low for the third straight running, according to the scientists from the National Snow and Ice Data Center in NASA. Not only are the lives of our adorable polar bears at a risk, but the number of people exposed to flooding each year is tripling from 21 million to 54 million by 2030, according to a study from World Resources Institute. Just think, by simply carpooling with your friends, you could save over 100 polar bears from a life of starvation and possible death.
Wild animals and plants also suffer and are threatened by the environment. 169 marine areas have been identified as dead zones as of 2008, up from 44 in 1995. One of the largest found in the Gulf of Mexico was estimated in 2002 to be the size of Massachusetts. The reason for these white reefs are because of the rising ocean temperatures due to climate change.
Unless you want to sit idly by and watch as our world dies, you can make a change. You can vote in your next election to ensure that climate change is actually dealt with and try and reverse the devastating effects that not only have killed our polar bears and coral reefs, but flooded our homes in Hurricane Harvey.